Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on your NMAX V1. To begin, ensure your ignition key is in the on position. Next, locate the select and reset buttons on your instrument panel. You will need to press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds to enter the clock setting mode. This initial step is crucial for accessing the time adjustment feature on your scooter's display. Once you see the hour digits begin to flash on your display, you can release both buttons. Now, use the Select button to cycle through and increase the hour value until you reach the correct time. Take your time to ensure accuracy. After setting the hour, press the Reset button. This action will confirm your hour selection and automatically move you to the minute adjustment section. With the hour set, the minute digits will now start to flash, indicating they are ready for adjustment. Similar to setting the hour, use the Select button to advance the minute value. Continue pressing until you reach the precise minute. Once the minutes are correctly displayed, press the Reset button one more time. This final press will confirm your minute setting and complete the time adjustment process. After you have confirmed the minutes, you will notice that the clock digits will stop flashing, signifying that the new time is now successfully set and displayed on your NMAX V1's instrument panel. To ensure these settings are saved permanently, simply turn your ignition key to the off position. Your clock is now accurately updated and ready for your next ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.